and welcome back to my another video. So today's video is basically about ActivePresenter we can use for screen recording. Go for the new project and type your project name, and there you go. Just go for the red symbol and click on there. Now I can start your recording. For you, I'm going to go for one example. Then go for hidden option icon. Then click for option ActivePresenter and then stop it. So where you go for the main part of editing part, I'm going to show you some features of it, then you can use it as for your creativity. And the home side, you can see the blank slides, capture slides and slides from, and there are so many options, just like you can highlight covers, remove and text caption. For this you can go for different font sizes, colors and styles. There are some shapes option, you can just go for it and try it as you want it. Here also you can go for some text fonts and different colors. Just use your creativity. As I'm trying to show you guys, there's so many options. We can just go for some other. Let's go for the slide option now. Then you can see there is a edit background, view active window, edit active window, and so many others. And at the other side you can see spotlight. I'm going to show you how to use it as per my best. So I'm roughly going to show you some other options that you can see in ActivePresenter. After you're done with your all editing stuff, you can just go for it and play it and see if your editing part is went right. After you're done with your all of things, just go for export and videos and just save it. You have to wait for some time. After you're done with all, you can just go for it and check your final project. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, go and subscribe it, and don't forget to like, share and comment down below.